Hello guys, quick video here. Today I'm gonna show you how did I install the clutch assembly into my BMW K75 bike. As you can see, I am taking notes on the balance marks that came from the factory, from both plates. Um, then I resumed the cleaning. I made sure there was nothing in the pressure plates, and also this spring plate. It has a little bit of grease on the edges because it's gonna move just a little bit while we press the clutch, so some grease is due. And also on the metal O-ring, the 3mm O-ring that it is behind the flywheel, in between the flywheel and the spring plate. You can see here that I'm just taking notes and observing how to install it. And the thing is that you want to divide by 120 degrees from each plate the most heavy part, which is basically the part that is marked with white markings from the factory. And you have the yellow mark that I showed you in the beginning of the video, that is the heaviest part of the flywheel, and you want to divide those marks by 120 degrees more or less. This is my way to do it. I don't guarantee this is gonna work on you, but pay attention to that. Now I'm greasing a little bit also the nipples that are holding the pressure plate together. That is to make sure that the tiny metal shims, or yeah, those tiny metal things slide in properly and don't get seized. More cleaning is due also, and now we are gonna assemble the whole clutch thing, and I don't think that I should talk anymore, so I'm gonna shut up and I will let you enjoy the video. If you have any doubts, you can discuss them in the comments below, but there is plenty of information in the internet, so you can find it, and also check some BMW K bike forums, and also just you can put a comment as I said. So yeah, thanks for watching and just enjoy the video. Bye.